Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn of Jessica Lynn Original Studios, and I would like to welcome you to our channel. I have been doing design, graphics, custom rubber stamps. I own my own company, and I have been doing this for almost 17 years. It'll be 18 on April 1st, no joke. Truly, that's the day I started the company. Started it with $100 for my husband and I, and said, you know what, as long as it can continue to support itself, we are here. And almost 18 years later, we are still doing amazing things. And I had a lot of requests to go out and play around in Canva and teach you guys some of the social media stuff that can really help enhance not only your small business, but also, you know, if you have a company or if you're in charge of social media and you need to come up with some creative ideas, literally Canva has come up with a game changer. I am so excited to share this new tool with you. I think that you are going to be inspired. Let's go there. You will be inspired by what it can do. Now, there is a new little header that you're going to see that you have not maybe seen before. It's shown up within the last couple of days. It's called Docs. So documents is all it is. So you can create your own Word docs, newsletters, all of that great stuff. But they added something new that I think you're going to love. So down below, if you have not signed up for Canva before, go and do it. This works on the free version. Although I'll tell you with the free version, you only get 25 of them for free. Now it's 25 opportunities to search. It'll make more sense in a second. Now, we're going to click on Docs. So if you haven't signed up for it, down below, I put a link to it. We do earn a small commission on it, so if you do click on that, I appreciate it. I put all the money back into our YouTube channel, and we're continuing to try and grow and be a better channel. I really want to provide you with information on not only, you know, kind of here's what I do, but here's some best practices in social media design so that you can take that and, you know, whatever small business you have or side hustle you want, whether it even be an eBay store, an Etsy store, you can use these same things to create some amazing content and advertising for your company that way as well. And one of the things I have learned in teaching small business over the last, 15 years, is that there are thousands of ideas out there. And although some may be similar, they're never exactly the same. So let me show you this cool new feature. We're going to click on Docs. Now, when we're right here, you can see here's your regular doc. So you could write, make your document, whoa, here, let me see if I can type, right? Welcome, whatever. But that's really not what I wanted to do for you. Now, that's a great tool that can do that, but let me show you, there's this cool new feature. You click on this little plus sign, and it says Magic Write. What is this, right? So let me show you. So Magic Write basically is a let me help you get creative kind of tool, is the way I'm going to describe it. I went and tested it out, and you can do, if you say, well, give me one idea, or you can give me, I did one where it gave me up to 33 ideas. So I think it kind of gets stumbled based on, like, if you put in, give me 1,000 ideas for this, it kind of is like, that's too big of a request, but around 25 is pretty decent. So let's say you're a writer and you're like, I have got mental writing block. I have no idea. I want to write, right? Because it's, 2023 is almost here. I want to go in, it's almost a new year. I want to go in and be inspired to write for 30 days. Okay, now there's 31 in January. So we'll try it. Might be a little high, but we'll try it. Write 31 short story ideas on travel and romance. I don't know. We'll just make this up, right? So you can see here I have 22 magical writes left. Again, if I do that upgrade, I get the full amount of these. And down at the bottom again, link is waiting for you. So let me go ahead and hit enter, and let's see what it comes up with. All right, Canva, what do you got for us? Now, it could take a little bit because I'm asking for a lot of ideas. So if you think about this, it's kind of like a brainstorm, like, right? The storm is thundering around, and it's like, hold on, I'm thinking about it for you. Okay, here we go. What do we get? Okay. Because it looks like it's limited to one page, must be the number. Right? So I asked for 31, so we actually only got, 24.5. But let's look at it, right? So I said I want to write 24.5 short story ideas on travel and romance, right? So look at this. I'm a writer, and I am going to write for an entire month. So I say I'm going to write about travel and romance every day in January. So I have to come up with, the balance of these myself, but obviously it got me on the right path, right? So I could write a short story about a couple who goes on a distant city and discovers secrets about each other. Fun. And then from there, like if you're creative, you go, ooh, where's the distant city? It always, that first one there reminds me of like a Mummy kind of moment, right? Where they find out that maybe they were somebody in the past. Kind of fun. A young couple takes a road trip and discovers their true feelings. An old couple renews their love on a cruise. A woman takes a solo trip to a foreign country and finds... I mean, these literally could be the next 24 and a half movies that come out in the theaters. The next big rom-com. I mean, it could be sitting right here. And how fun is that? Like, so challenge yourself. So if you're feeling like you have creative block, Christmas is done, what do I do next? Go out, again, click on that link, go visit, and have it help you. Maybe you're like, let's see, maybe you're not a writer. Maybe you are, let's go and do a new one here. So maybe you are starting a YouTube channel. Okay, so give me, let's just do 10. Oops, sorry. We click on the magic right, so we get that pop-up. Then we do write 10 great ideas for YouTube videos on one of my favorite places. We'll pick Disney World. All right. So I want 10 great ideas. So I'm telling you, I don't want just mediocre. I want 10 great ones on YouTube for YouTube videos on Disney World. Let's do about. All right. Let's see what it thinks. All right, it's thinking. Here we go. All right, so let's see what it says. Now, because I didn't ask it a very specific question, it kind of gave me a broad topic, right? So kind of general. So let's see. It says, here's some great ideas for YouTube videos about Disney World. So a guided tour of the best attractions. Fun. So I could see someone doing, here's all the new attractions. Here's a video of that. A day in the life of a Disney World cast member. Again, you'd have to get the okay from Disney, but still a great, a behind the scenes look at how Disney puts on its show. So this would be a great for Disney. A look at the history of Disney, a review of Disney World's best restaurants, a video about hidden secrets, a comparison video to Disney World to other theme parks, a review of the newest rides, a vlog about a family's experiences spending a week at Disney World, a video about the most popular souvenirs and merchandise. So again, I asked it a very generic question because I just wanted videos about Disney World. I didn't say, give me videos about a specific hotel or a specific ride. Like, that would be interesting if it would change up. So again, this is a brand new free feature that, depending on what you're interested in, like I said, it doesn't have to be that you're using it for YouTube videos. Maybe you're using it for your company and your company is struggling with their social media, right? You can write in like the hero with, up to one full page of AI generated ideas, that then you could expand on and turn into something amazing. Maybe you're a teacher and you're trying to come up with great writing ideas for your students. I have a third grader who is now all about writing stories, little stories for class. So maybe I go through and say, give me 25 great ideas. Then now I can have my child do these at home, to get her some more practice. Or if I was a teacher, I could say, you know what? I have 21 kids in my class. Give me 10 great ideas about this. And then I could give each kid a little sheet of paper with their idea that came from, obviously, you would vet them first to make sure they're appropriate. But how fun is this tool? I mean, again, this is the completely free version. Now, what I don't know is it says you only get 25 of them. I don't know if once you run out with 25, if that's it, or if once a month you get a renew of 25. So be cautious when you play with this. Like if you go and just get 5 that are just kind of random, and then you're like, oh shoot, I really want to use this, but you can't afford right now to upgrade, just because you don't want to lose that. The other thing to know is that the educational version does not allow this, so you can only do it in the paid version or the free version. So the link will be down below if you are interested, so please go ahead and sign up today. I do want to take a moment and say thank you so much for watching. Be sure to visit my website, Jessica Lynn Original. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions about Canva or anything else, by all means, go ahead and put those down below. I would love to answer those for you. And we will see you again very soon. Take care, everybody.